Hi, Auto Care Nation. It's Lisa Foshee, Senior Vice President and General Counsel of the Auto Care Association. I'm here with exciting news and to ask for your help. The Repair Act is moving through the process in Congress, and we need your voice. Remember that I've told you over the last year that we were going to give you a break, but when I called and said I needed your help, and that moment is now. I need you, everyone seeing this video, to take 60 seconds and click on the QR code that we've sent you to send a letter to Congress. Even if you've done it before, I need you to do it again. I need you to get your friends and neighbors to do it. I need you to send as many letters as we possibly can so that Congress will understand how important this issue is to our industry, our livelihoods, and the businesses that we call home. So please take 60 seconds right now to send your letter and then send that QR code to everyone in your network so that we can get those letters up there and get our voices heard. Thank you.